Hi everyone, if you're new here, my name is Sally and I'm a mixed media artist in Australia, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So my videos for probably like the last month have been very like sketchbook heavy. So it's time to get back to the art subscription box unboxings, and we've got Scrawlr Box 106. So this would be the June box, I guess. I always get them late because I'm in Australia and this is from the UK. So I think, yeah, this would be the June box number 106. So we're gonna open it up, review all the supplies, and make some art with the supplies in the box and the prompt words included. So let's go. All right. Oh, this looks like pastels or crayons. All right, let's see. Ooh. Okay. If it's pastels, I'm just gonna have to get over my fear. All right, what is in this? Oh, can I open it? It's pencils. Wait, Faber Castell polychromos. So we've got 5 different shades. We have coral, permanent carmine, light green ivory, dark Naples ochre, and light ultramarine. This is a really nice color palette. All right, well, this didn't look like pencil to me. I don't know, maybe because it's just like the size of it. Okay, and then we have a little eraser. Why has it got this red bit on it? What is this? Oh, it's an extra blade. Okay, cute. And we also have a Derwent blender pen. I don't usually use these kind of blending things for pencil. I actually like the texture of pencil. I don't like when it's too smooth. Like, I like to be able to see the actual pencil texture. So we'll see. We'll experiment with that and see what we can make. And our candy is why is nothing focusing today? Fruit Teller Duo Sticks. Seems to be some kind of apple and raspberry situation. All right, let's put these pencils away. Oh, these are my favorite pencils. How exciting. We have a little sticker, which is a little section of the art print. Just this one here. See, I love all that texture. It's so nice. So our featured artist is Liz Y. Ahmet. And that is, excuse me, but Evie's enjoying the paper. Oh, you found what you wanted? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? The socials. We have a pad of toned drawing paper, A5. I love a little toned paper. This is beautiful. Nice 115 GSM, so perfect for pencils. And then, what about Evie? Bye. Have a quick flick through of the zine. Box 106. Here's a rundown of all our supplies. Look at that texture. Oh, let's do a nice textured portrait inspired by Liz. exciting. This is right up my alley. Here are some tips about how to use your supplies. Warming up with colored pencils. I love colored pencils. Artist's advice. And our Scrawlr Box 104 challenge, which was hodgepodge. Oh, Art with Maria Dev, one of my good internet friends. Congratulations. I absolutely adore her artwork. It's so cute. Who else have we got in here? Zoe's Wild Art. Congrats. Love your work. It's always nice to see your friends get acknowledged. And the top 3. Scrawlr Showcase. We thought about it was time to celebrate what makes ScrawlrBox so special. Oh, Mel. Another Instagram friend. How exciting. You know, everyone's doing such amazing work. As much as I get frustrated with Instagram, I have connected with some really amazing artists on there, and it's the people that keep me on there. Nothing else. Our extra is gesture drawing, so quick warm-ups. Really great thing to add into your like your sketchbook practice. And our prompt this month is squiggle me this. So I'm really excited to do like a really nice textured portrait inspired by Liz's work. I think we can definitely do something like inspired by this. I love it. Like, look at the detail in the eyes and then everything else really loosey-goosey. This is going to be fun. Okay, so I recorded the unboxing and then I took a lunch break and made the mistake of leaving this out, and Evie just wrecked it. She loves to flick paper and like flick the pages of my sketchbook and bite paper. Like, she's a fiend for paper. She's a little paper goblin. So now it'll always make me think of my beautiful kitten whenever I use this paper. So because this box is really only just colored pencils, and colored pencils that are my favorites that I already have, I didn't really bother with swatching the supplies and that sort of thing to see how they work, because I already know how they work. So I just used the 6 colors to do a border. The one thing I hadn't used before is the blender pen. Like I said before, I really like the texture of pencil, and honestly, this pen, I don't know if I was using it incorrectly, but it really made no difference. So I probably won't ever use that again. And I'm not sure, maybe it's better on like a waxier, sort of softer pencil, like a Prismacolor or something like that. But the reason that I love the Faber Castell polychromos so much is that they have a harder lead. Like, they stay sharper for longer. They're just a stronger pencil. They don't really have any like dust come off them. They're not waxy. So that's what I really love about these. Now let's talk about the box, because it really is just 6 polychromos pencils, which are my favorite, so I'm not mad about it. I don't have these colors. I was so generously gifted a set of 36 by a very good friend of mine, Candace, recently, and so I'm just like, I feel like I'm just constantly getting polychromos pencils at my doorstep, which I'm not mad about at all. I love these pencils. But when I was looking at, say, maybe like the value of the box, I don't know. Converting Great British pounds to Australian dollars, and also the shipping is more expensive for me as well. So keep in mind that I'm coming from an Australian perspective, very far away from the UK. The Scrawlr Box works out to about $45 a box for me. That's including shipping. And to buy polychromos pencils open stock, they're about $2.60-ish. And the blender pens, I was having a look online, and you can't actually buy them individually. They come in a set of 2, and the sets of 2 ranged anywhere from between like $13 to $18. So we got one of those. So this box didn't really add up to like the value of what I paid for it. But in saying that, I'm not mad at these supplies at all. And I buy like a year subscription. So, you know, I'm going to get what I get. That's the whole thing about the mystery art supplies, is you don't know what you're going to get. And sometimes it's extremely good value. And sometimes like the box is a little bit lighter. So I just wanted to, let you know that this might not be the best value box out of all the ones that I've had. But in saying that, I love drawing on toned paper, and these are my favorite pencils, so I'm not mad about it. But it might not be that experience for everyone. So let's talk about the artwork. I didn't even speed this up. I did minimal edits. This literally took me like 8 minutes, I think, to do this drawing, because I wanted to keep it really loose and scribbly like the artwork, and the prompt was squiggle me this. And there's something kind of cool about having the challenge of capturing a likeness or an emotion or something like that with very few lines and sort of like an unfinished kind of artwork. And I didn't really think about it too much. I just sort of scribbled and had fun with the pencils. And I really like the way this turned out. Like, it's quite loose. And, you know, that was all part of the challenge. So it was a really fun little afternoon sketching. And these pencils layer up really beautifully on top of one another, and they're really easy to blend. But I think one of the great things about toned paper is that the colors pop so much and look so different on their own. So I tried to sort of keep them quite separate in that way. And I've been experimenting a little bit in my sketchbook with using more color in my portraits. So this kind of tied in with all that sort of work that I've been doing, and using bright color in unexpected ways on the face, and just seeing if I can make it work. And I think I did. I kind of like it. And it's always so fun doing the highlights on toned paper, because using the white or the light colors, they really stand out. It's just such a different experience to drawing on white paper. And yeah, I just cut loose and just scribbled. It was really, really fun. Highly recommend you just doing this as like a little experiment, just to loosen up and, you know, not overthink things so much. I watch Sophie McPike's videos really regularly, and she's a big advocate for scribbling. And now I kind of get it. So this was what I made. So I love the way the yellow pops on this paper, and all that beautiful texture from these pencils. But I ended up doing another piece the following day. So that was my original one. And then I did one that was a little bit less scribbly, but just to show you how they look on the paper when you do something that's a little bit more sort of finished or polished, I guess you could say. And I like both of them. I want to say thank you to all my Ko-fi members. Your names are on the screen here. I adore you. I'm currently putting together the final touches of the July zine. It is all about River Phoenix, and I've been watching all of his old movies again, and it's been a wonderful, wonderful time. So the link to sign up to the memberships and get the zine sent out to you is in the description box down below. I really appreciate all your continued support. It means the world to me, and thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more art subscription box unboxings and work in my sketchbook and painting. There is something happening over there finally. Yeah, I really appreciate you being here. I thank you so much for watching and all your support. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.